Hey guys, let's talk about the HY300 projector connecting to an iPhone. As you can see, my projector is just right here, and the image is back there on the wall. In here I have an iPhone, okay? So it's super simple to connect to the projector. You just need to come here to your iPhone and you can mirror your screen, okay? So just go down here and there is the option to mirror the iPhone. So here you're gonna find the projector just right here. As long as you have enabled there, just make sure that you come here to your projector with the remote control. Go to home, and here you're gonna find this My Apps option, okay? So back there on My Apps, you're gonna find a Screencast. And with this Screencast, you see that I have option here for AirPlay. Okay, so basically AirPlay is going to connect to your iPhone, right? So just take a look on the top here. You see there's information about the current network. Then I just need to make sure that I'm connected to the same network here. You see that I can't find the projector yet here on my iPhone. That's because I just need to make sure that I'm connecting here to the same network. So basically here on my Wi-Fi, I need to find the same network there. I'm connecting right now to a different router. So I just need to find the one here, which is the same my projector is connected to. Let me just wait here for the refresh. Not yet available here. There we go. I found it. So now I'm connected exactly to the same Wi-Fi, the same router. Then I can come back here, and there we go. My projector just shows up here. I click on it, and back there you see it's already mirroring, right? So super simple. Just go to the main screen here. You see that's working back there. Super simple, okay? Now everything that I do here is going to show up there on the projector. So that's basically the way you can have your HY300 projector connected to an iPhone, right? I hope this helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.